Before you freak out about your brown lawn, just breathe. What you're seeing right here, completely normal for winter recovery this time of year, and 9 times out of 10, it'll be fully green by the time the spring hits. Let me show you what's actually beneath the surface. Right now, we're coming out of the harshest part of the year for the lawns. The snow's been sitting on it all season long, compacting it, making that lawn turn brown, slowly bleaching those blades and leaving it kind of flattened out. But the part that matters, the upper part of the crown and the root system, right below the surface, that's the most important part you want to worry about. And that part is very much alive. This is why everything looks patchy, straw-like, and lifeless. It's not dying, it's slowly resetting itself for future growth. Here's how to check if your lawn is just waiting for warmer temps to green up. Our first test is actually going to be looking at the greenness. So we're going to be looking at the crowns, which are the very base stem of the grass blade, and we want to see a green. We want to see little bits of green. And that little bit of green means we're going to have growth, and it's not completely dead. It's just dormant towards the top of that leaf blade, because that's what was accessible during the winter season. Our next test is we're going to be tugging on it. And when we tug on it, we want it to be firm. That means it's rooted, it's not dead, it's not old grub damage from last fall. That means we're also good to go. Our last test is we're going to be seeing little shoots of growth. Once we start to see warmer temps, we're going to see little new shoots of growth that are expanding off of the current grass. So like your ryegrass, it's slowly going to be spreading. And we want to see new shoots off of the main shoots. That means our grass is still alive well and slowly trying to grow. So there are certain situations where this brown look is not normal. Perfect circles of dead grass, that could potentially be disease. Grass that pulls up easily, well, that could be last year's grub damage or old vole damage. Gray fuzzy patches, maybe that's lingering snow mold. Large areas that stay brown while everything else greens up, well, that could potentially be a different grass type or drainage and compaction issues. Those are some of the key moments when it can be more than dormancy. Instead of throwing fertilizer or seed at the problem, here's what you should actually do. Wake the lawn up with some airflow. So you want to very lightly rake, not a full rake, some of those areas that's matted down, and just try to increase the airflow so that lawn can breathe. Let the soil dry and warm naturally. The biggest reason why lawns stay brown is cold, wet soil. Letting sunlight and air do their job helps more than anything else and can speed up recovery. Start planning your early season treatment. Once temperatures stabilize, that's when you hit it with the heavy hitters. Pre-emergent, early nourishment, and any problem areas. Repair only what's necessary. If you have true dead patches, you can address those later in the spring, not right this second. If you want that early spring green up out of nowhere, here's what you should be doing right now. Proper pre-emergent timing, consistent treatments, and correcting winter damage early. That is what truly separates that early spring green up from it not greening up at all. Your lawn isn't dying, it's just starting to wake up. And if you help it through this transition the right way, it'll reward you with a greener, thicker lawn later this spring. Hit subscribe for more spring lawn info. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.